Cardano at the time of this recording is seeing a bit of a breakdown move, but continues to hold above a key area of support above the 0.3337. And on today's video, I will be discussing the significant key areas of supports that you need to continue holding above, and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the weekly chart, you can see that from the lows that we made on the 5th of August, we started a very nice bounce to the upside, where we managed to get a high above the $0.8144 in a move that I have been terming as an impulsive edge to wave count 1. And having picked in a larger edge to wave count 1, I was expecting that Cardano is going to give us a bit of a short-term pullback in a larger edge to wave count 2, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of this edge to wave count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area into the area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78 as a minimum target area for the second wave. And that area lies between the 0.5161 and the 0.3466, which is the area that I have highlighted here on the charts. And from what you can see on the screen, you can see that we have managed to fully maximize this target area, and there are very high chances that we have the lows in place for this edge to wave count 2 on the low that was made on the 5th of August below the $0.29. And there are very high chances that in the next coming weeks or maybe days, we are going to start a very impulsive movement to the upside in what I will be terming as the start of an impulsive edge to wave count 3. And if that is to play out, the minimum target areas for the third wave can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this edge to wave count 1. Then dragging the low, that is the fibs, to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the $1.2344. Then I will be expecting a short-term pullback in a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in an edge to wave count 5. And if that bounce is to play out based on the current prices, a bounce to this target area over here will easily give us more than a 4x to the upside. Then we can expect a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in a wave 5 that could easily give us more than a 7x to the upside. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the long term. But we also need to have in mind that since we are seeing a bit of a breakdown move on the Fibonacci's, there are significant areas that we need to continue holding. And that significant area is the fib level 0.88 that lies above the 0.2915. So in the next coming hours, in case we continue seeing further pullbacks, we need to continue holding above the 0.2915, because if by any chance we lose that area on the Fibonacci's, then that will be suggesting that there are chances that we can easily see a total breakdown move here on the Cardano chart, in a move that can easily give us a reset of the lows that we made on the 5th of June below the 0.2208. And if by any chance we lose the 0.2208, then that will be suggesting a massive breakdown move in a move that can easily get us below the $0.2. So that is my long-term perspective here on the Cardano chart. Jumping to the 4-hour chart, you can see that from the lows that we made on the 6th of September, we started a very nice bounce to the upside, though that bounce to the upside was much of a corrective structure, where we picked in this ABC corrective structure in a move that gave us a high above the $0.4165. And after getting that significant high, you can see that we have been seeing a pullback to the lower side, and there are chances that these could be playing out in a 5-wave structure, where we can now term these as a wave 1. Then this bounce over here was a wave 2, and whatever is playing out at the moment could be the start of an impulsive edge to wave count 3, then a wave 4, and then a wave 5 to the lower side. And to show you that this is a possible wave 2 over here, if I connect the Fibonacci's from the high of the first wave to the low of this wave One, you can see that we managed to bounce to the area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, which is a significant target for Elliot wave count 2s, and there are chances that we have a high in place in this wave 2, and whatever is unfolding at the moment is an impulsive Elliot wave count 3, and this Elliot wave structure is suggesting that in the next coming days we might continue heading further down here on the Cardano chart in a move that can easily give us a reset of the lows that we made on the 5th of June. So that is something else that you need to be cautious about, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.